It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 2nd of May. I'm Michael Groff. Mostly cloudy skies and a slight chance of showers around here today, but the big story will be the very pleasant, almost cool temperatures for early May. Highs only in the low to mid 70s, but don't get used to it because by this weekend, the triple digits return. Let's talk about it as we look at the almanac from yesterday. 77 degrees, the high in the valley after a morning low of 64. We are 2 1/3 inches behind where we should be on our rainfall for the year. And yeah, how about this? Outside right now at 11 a.m. in the valley, mostly cloudy skies, 64 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 43, humidity 45%. The winds are light, the barometer 29.91 inches and steady. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning, upper 50s at Buckeye at 11 a.m. in the morning. Meanwhile, low and middle 60s for many of us, a couple of spots getting close to 70 right now. Water vapor satellite view, there's our big upper low across northwest Arizona and southern Nevada, ushering in the moisture, the clouds, the cool temps that we've been experiencing. The watch warning map, how about that? A winter weather advisory up along the Mogollon Rim here in early May. Still some snow falling in parts of northern Arizona. Meanwhile, red flag advisories, parts of New Mexico, West Texas, some scattered wind advisories across the country. But overall, no major weather concerns right now. But later today, on the convective outlook, you see a moderate risk of severe storms from northwest Oklahoma through parts of Kansas toward northwest Missouri. The primary risk will be extremely large hail, as we saw with some storms yesterday, but certainly some tornadoes possible in some of those areas as well. A busy day for storm chasers and weather offices, with the broader severe weather risk extending all the way from the Rio Grande up toward Chicago and Detroit. Precipitation for the next 7 days here in Arizona, maybe as much as a ½ inch across the northern part of the state. That includes rain and snow that's coming down right now. And maybe here in the valley, we could see a trace or a couple hundredths of an inch. I know some of you had some rain yesterday, but officially in the bucket at Sky Harbor, nothing. Let's see if we can find any rain before we start to heat up. And we'll look at the models right now and see what they say. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at 500 millibars. Our cool upper trough continues here in the southwest today. Down at the surface, mostly cloudy skies, breezy just as we've had the last couple of days, and a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms here in the valley, widely scattered showers and storms in northern Arizona, and yes, maybe some isolated snow showers in the highest of elevations as well. Highs today low in mid-70s. Get out and enjoy it. I'd say the overall probability that we'll see any measurable rain here in the valley today, around 1 in 5. Looking at the high-res models, not very promising here. This is the NAM this afternoon at 5 o'clock. It shows pretty much nothing. Maybe some isolated showers, though. So we'll keep that in mind as we go through the afternoon. And tonight, partly cloudy. Lows mostly in the 50s and low 60s. And then tomorrow, here comes the warm-up. Highs 81 to 84 with mostly sunny skies. On Friday, we're sunny. Highs in the low and middle 90s. And then Saturday, really warming it up as ridging comes on in. Highs near 100, maybe even exceeding the century mark. Sunday looks like it could very well be the warmest day of the forecast period, with highs getting close to, if not exceeding, 105 degrees. That's what the latest guidance is coming in with. And if that verifies, well, we could either tie or break a record. The record high, 105 degrees on Sunday. Monday, we're still hot, even though there will be a weak short wave that begins to flatten out the ridge. High temperatures anywhere from 100 to 103. Really about the same thing on Tuesday and Wednesday. Upper 90s to near 102. This is a week from today, the 9th of May. Then as we go to Thursday, the 10th, still ridging persists here in the southwest states. High temperatures anywhere from 100 to 103. And then the end of the forecast period. This is Friday, the 11th of May. And if this is right, a little short wave may again flatten out the ridge, but high temperatures will still be well above average, likely in excess of 100 degrees. And we see that as we look at the temperatures coming off of the GFS ensemble. How about that? The dog days of summer are coming our way, really starting in earnest on Saturday and Sunday. It's got us upwards of 105 degrees. Ouch. All right, that's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, even if you don't like the message that we're sending out about the heat wave, if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there. Enjoy the clouds and the cool temps while we have them. And have yourselves a great Wednesday.